someone unlocked the front door of our home. We called the police and they told us that our home had once been known as the party house, and practically everyone had their own key.
As a business owner, I'm concerned about the safety of my supplies, the inventory, the equipment here.
I know Lang's Lock's number. Actually, it's in my contacts list, so very easy for me to access.
We saw Jim that day. He came out and helped us that day.
You know, if I look at that, I can make that key for you.
Okay.
Call Lang's Lock. He's reputable. He's been in the business for years, and he took great care of my family. It's good to know a locksmith
Before you need a locksmith.